Okay, let's take a look at very interesting element in German sentence, such called da compounds. So what are da compounds? How can we use them? And how can we translate them when we read German sentences? Let's imagine a situation. We have two friends, let's say Peter and Anna, and they go to movies. They're happy. So let's write the sentence which says Peter fährt mit Anna ins Kino. So that means Peter drives with Anne to movies. Okay, and we analyze this sentence from linguistical point of view, and we will say that we have Peter as a subject, fährt as the verb, and then we have two prepositional objects, two objects of preposition. So one is with Anna, so mit Anna, this is one preposition plus object, and then the second one, ins Kino, to movies. Let's ignore the second one, let's concentrate on the first one, with Anna. So we obviously know that mit is with preposition, and what is underlined, this is our object. Anna. Anna is a person, female person, and we can ask ourselves, what's about we will replace this name Anna with personal pronoun? Is it possible? My answer will be absolutely possible. We will just say Peter drives with her to movie, and we use specific word in German language ihr. So now the sentence says in German, Peter fährt mit ihr ins Kino. And we understand that this is about Anna. We see her on the picture. Okay, let's write another sentence. It's about the same situation. The sentence says, Peter and Anna, they drive by car to movies. So in German we say with car. So Peter und Anna fahren mit dem Auto ins Kino. Again, we see we use the same preposition we used before with Anna, you remember? But in this case, we use a thing. Our object is item, vehicle, car. So, and you may ask me, well, can now we replace the word car by using a specific personal pronoun? Practically, we want to say Peter and Anna, they drive with it, so referring to car, to movies. Something like that. Peter und Anna fahren mit ihm ins Kino. And I would answer no. It's impossible. So German grammar will not allow us to use the same format as we used before with people, to use the same format with things. So we have to create another option how to say with it or by it. And let's start the sentence. Yeah, we go back to our sentence and let's start the sentence saying Peter and Anna, they drive. So what do we have to do next? We want to mention our car, but because we replace it with personal pronoun, you remember saying it, instead of saying it, we use just very interesting element. We say da, so da. Da means it, but it's used only with prepositions. No? And now we put our preposition to the end, and we created this word damit. You see, this is just da plus preposition mit, and we can translate it as with it. Again, we talk about car, we refer to car. So Peter und Anna fahren damit, and then we finish our sentence with movies, and this is our sentence. Peter and Anna, they drive by it to movies. Okay? Let's rewrite this sentence again. Peter und Anna fahren damit ins Kino. So if you read the sentence, one problem will occur. You will ask yourself, how can I translate this damit? So what is the meaning? So we understand that it means like with it, by it, but what is it? You know, this is the problem we will confirm. So we have to understand how do we translate this word, and we are able to translate this da compound only when we'll look through the entire context. We need to find another information. We need to find practically another sentence. And if we will find something like Peter and Anna, they have a car. Now we will understand that this with it, by it, refers to car, which was mentioned in previous sentence. Only by performing the steps, you will be able to understand what is the reference of the specific Da compound which is used in our sentence. Let's analyze another example. It's a little bit longer sentence. The First World War was from 1918 till 1919. And then Berlin experienced or came to the era of golden 20s. Okay, so we read these two sentences, and what we see in the beginning of the second sentence, we see another Da compound. We know that preposition nach means after. So we translate it as after it. So practically then, after something, some kind of event, Berlin became or came into era of golden 20s. But what was the event? After what event Berlin turns to this historical situation? And we have to analyze previous sentence. And we see that previous sentence is about the First World War. Now we understand. After the First World War, after it, Berlin came into era of golden 20s. So analyzing previous pieces of information, collecting this information from previous sentences, we will be able to translate such called Da compounds.